In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact Apollomics online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in apollomics.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Apollomics. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here I'm just going to switch to the English language. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface in English language. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to contact them, click on this option, contact us, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the contact us interface of Apollomics. Simply scroll down in this interface. Now you'll be able to find the contact information over here. You'll be able to find the address. You'll be able to see the address over here. You can simply visit the address in person and you'll be able to contact them in person. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the phone number over here. This is the phone number of customer service. You can simply contact them via this phone number too. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the contact information of managers too. Right over here, you'll be able to find the phone numbers. You can simply contact the managers too. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the emails over here. You'll be able to see the email address. So you can simply select this email address and copy it. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now what you have to do is go to New tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Click on the compose option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to compose the email. In the to section, what you have to do is simply paste the email address that we copied earlier. Now after you do that, enter the subject over here. Now also compose the body. Simply enter your issue over here. Now after you compose the body, click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and that particular email will be sent. After the email has been sent, Apollomics will review your email and respond to you. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So these are basically the ways to contact the Apollomics. So that is how you contact Apollomics. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.